So the final part of our Beethoven-inspired lesson or unit is to put it all together, so everything we've learned. So we've listened to 2 pieces of music by Beethoven. We've listened to his Storm from the Pastoral Suite, and we have also listened to Beethoven's Fifth. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the Storm and then progress it into our own composition based on our melodic ideas. So we could start, and this is any order that you would like, but I could recommend that you could start with singing Old Mr. Beethoven. Then you could go into your thunderstorm with your hands. So you could start with your rubbing, then go into your scratching, your flicking, your popping, your clicking, your patting, and then your clap. If you're not sure, just review the earlier lessons. Then you could sing your rainy storms like rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down, or rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Any rainy songs that you know, just so that we're showing that we can use our voices. Then you might want to get your percussion instruments out and demonstrate your thunderstorm with instruments. You know, when we had our wind sounds, we had our drip drop sounds and our thunder sounds. So you could have a percussion instrument each on the carpet. And if you're not sure, again, review that lesson. Then what would happen, once we've made our thunderstorm with our instruments, we could stop and we could have some backing music of maybe a soundscape or Maja Pade, where you all go back to your tables where your tuned percussion will be. And then this is when we start playing our Beethoven ostinato. And we could start by playing Beethoven's Fifth. So we could go 2, 3. Okay, play that round and round, maybe 4 times or 8 times as an ostinato. And then finish it off with the class composed one. So you either composed one using Beethoven's Fifth, so you might have gone like that, round and round, or you used any rhythms. So you might have had your ta-ta, ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ta. It doesn't matter, as long as it's the one the class wrote last week. So rehearse all the individual bits, put it together. That might take a lesson. And then the lesson after is when you have one final rehearse, edit, and then record your video and make sure to do your assessment notes of who was able to do it. So enjoy this. Look forward to watching your video of your Beethoven-inspired storm compositions.